That's right guys, wireless charging on your Moto E5 Plus. Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your Moto E5 Plus. You're probably saying to yourself, I did not see that on the spec sheet, so how are you wirelessly charging this phone? Great question, I'm going to show you right now. So I'm assuming you have a case for your phone because most people will get one for a phone this big. So it's really simple how we're doing this. So we have a little sensor. It's called a Qi sensor, a Qi wireless sensor. And basically the way it works is this little thing plugs right into your charging port. Now we do not have a case for the phone, so we can't fully show this thing off the way it would look. But basically you just plug it in, and then you put your case on top of the phone. So you never actually see this piece, but it's gonna be right between the phone and the case. And then once the case is on there, you don't see it, but you know that you can now put that right on your charger and it's gonna read it and it will start charging. It's just that simple. Now, it's one of those things where it's easy to just pop this little piece out. Let's say if you want to use like a direct charger, you can go ahead and use that. But like at night, like myself, for example, I have a wireless charger next to my bed. So I plug this in so that I can just take my phone, pop it around the charger, and it can charge wirelessly overnight. So really cool. This little device you can purchase on Amazon. It's I think like it's around 10 bucks. I have a link in the description below so you can see the exact price. And it's gonna cost you nothing to get it, but it obviously works really well. So, you know, that's why we recommend it here. I'll also have a link in the description of a couple of really nice wireless charging pads as well that will go great with one of these. Again, 10 bucks is nothing to be able to wirelessly charge your phone, which is a really cool feature that I wish Moto had included, but it's okay because we can do it whether they include it or not. Anyway guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching guys. Take care and have a good one.